Today we got a Murray Pro, 18 horsepower, 46-inch blade. It's got an industrial Briggs & Stratton commercial engine in it. Got some good tires on it. Got your standard size ball, tow little trailer. Seat's a little cracked up. About $20 at your local Home Depot. Get you a seat covered, no problem. And a cracked headlight. And everything's still good. Probably an item you can get off the eBay pretty cheap. Under the hood, we got the 18 horsepower V-twin Briggs & Stratton. Runs like a champ. Come on over here. Got your standard 5-speed with reverse. All the gears work. I'm able to tow a little trailer, no problem. Got your throttle. Now here's the funny part. Got a key for it, but we have used it so much that it's full of junk. So we just simply turn it on. Come on over here and pop the seat. Oh, let's go back and engage the choke. There we go. Come on down here, we find the solenoid, give it a little touch, hit the choke down. She runs good. Start there every time.